So I just stumbled upon WebKit, and it's fascinating how it powers so many applications like Safari and Apple Books.
Right? It's surprising because we often take these engines for granted. It's like the unseen force behind our browsing experience.
Exactly, and on macOS, you can actually download the Safari Technology Preview to test the latest version of WebKit. That's pretty cool.
I know, but what's intriguing is that for Windows, you have to build it yourself. That seems like a hurdle for many users.
Totally, I mean, not everyone is comfortable with coding. It almost makes you appreciate the simplicity of just using it on macOS.
And yet, building it gives you insights into how browsers work. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion, right?
Haha, true, but then again, isn't there a risk of losing the user-friendly aspect? Not everyone wants to dive that deep.
Good point. It's a balancing act between accessibility and the power of customization. But what about bug reporting?
Oh, I found that interesting too. You can actually track bugs through WebKit Bugzilla. It makes it feel like a community effort.
Exactly. But here's a thought. Does that mean the quality control relies heavily on user feedback?
That's a bit concerning, right? I mean, what if certain bugs slip through because not enough testers are around?
That could definitely happen. The reliance on community input can be a double-edged sword.
Speaking of community, I love how they encourage contributions. It's like inviting everyone to join the coding party.
Yeah, but isn't there a risk of inconsistency in contributions? I mean, not every coder has the same expertise.
Exactly, it could lead to a patchwork of features, but I guess that's where review processes come in, right?
Absolutely. It's all about moderation and ensuring quality. But how often do those reviews happen?
Good question. The cycle of updates seems crucial to maintaining the engine's integrity.
And with all these different platforms, it must be a logistical nightmare to keep everything consistent.
For sure, but also exciting because each platform has unique challenges. It's like a tech puzzle.
Speaking of challenges, building for embedded platforms like iOS and watchOS sounds like a whole different game.
Right? It's like coding for a tiny limited space. What an interesting challenge that must be.
But then, how do they ensure performance isn't compromised on such devices? That's a critical factor.
Good point, it's all about optimization, I guess. But what if that leads to sacrifices in features?
That's a common trade-off in tech. You can't have it all, especially on limited hardware.
Exactly, but it's amazing how far technology has come, making powerful browsers run on smaller devices.
It really is. I mean, think back to how bulky browsers used to be. Now they're so sleek and efficient.
Yes, and the fact that developers can run their builds locally is empowering yet daunting.
True, it's like giving power to the people, but requiring them to wield it wisely.
And that can be intimidating. Not every developer is looking for that level of involvement.
Right? It's a spectrum of engagement, from casual users to hardcore contributors.
Exactly, and it's fascinating to think about how those different levels of engagement shape the final product.
Totally, it's like a living ecosystem. But what happens if someone introduces a major bug?
That could spiral out of control. It highlights the need for robust testing before any major rollout.
For sure, that's a critical part of the development process. It's not just about coding, it's about responsibility.
Exactly, and it makes me wonder how many developers understand that balance.
That's a good point. The skills required extend beyond just technical know-how.
So true, but with the right mentorship, they can navigate those waters successfully.
Mentorship is key. It's like an apprenticeship, passing down wisdom through experience.
Exactly, and the community aspect of WebKit fosters that, which is pretty inspiring.
It really is. I love that we're all in this together, trying to make the web better.
Absolutely, so what do you think the future holds for WebKit and similar projects?
I think it's all about adaptability. As tech evolves, so must these engines to keep up.
Agreed, the web is constantly changing and will need engines that can handle that evolution.
It's a thrilling time to be involved in tech. Can't wait to see where it goes next.
Same here, it leaves me with questions about how we can all contribute to that change.